AI world models are moving beyond plausible video toward controllable simulation, predicting consequences, responding to actions, and preserving consistency as an environment is explored. That matters because next frame accuracy alone cannot give autonomous systems reliable counterfactuals, robustness to bad weather, or memory over long horizons. Across research from BYD, Tsinghua and Didi, and Adobe Research with Johns Hopkins, the emerging recipe is clear. Combine pixel and latent reasoning, train on meaningful action variation, and make generation interactive. These results show what still separates impressive demos from world models agents can actually trust. Let's explore the first paper, HiWorld VLA, a vision language action model with hybrid world modeling for autonomous driving. Researchers at BYD Company Limited introduced HiWorld VLA, a vision language action model designed to reconcile the detailed reasoning of pixel-based world models with the noise robustness of latent models. Built on EMU3, the system first trains a text-guided video VAE+ to compress future driving video into spatiotemporal latents, using FLAN, T5, cross-attention to improve reconstruction. During pre-training, HiWorld VLA jointly predicts discrete visual tokens, fast action tokens, language tokens, and future VAE latents while also reconstructing video frames. During co-fine-tuning, it uses only predicted latent features, historical motion, and commands to condition a query-based action expert that generates trajectories. With a single front-view camera, the model reaches a NavSim v1 PDMS of 90.59 and a NavSim v2 ePDMS of 89.71, surpassing pixel-based and latent-based baselines. The paper also introduces a rain and fog robustness set containing 655 cases. HiWorld VLA scores 86.87 compared with 61.18 for Drive VLA W0. Ablations show that removing pixel-level supervision reduces PDMS to 87.5, while removing latent modeling yields 89.91, supporting the central claim that both forms of supervision are complementary. The study positions hybrid world modeling as a practical route toward more interpretable and stable end-to-end autonomous driving. Let's explore the second paper on the identifiability of controlled world models. Researchers from Tsinghua University, Didi Voyager Labs, and the University of Hong Kong study when an action-conditioned world model can recover both latent state and control dynamics from nonlinear observations. Building on Yang LeCun's JEPA family, including LeJEPA, VJEPA2, and the world model, they analyze a stationary linear Gaussian latent system trained with a LeJEPA-style predictive objective and Gaussian representation constraint. The central result is a joint identifiability theorem. A positive predictable signal spectral margin, gamma rep, prevents nonlinear representations from competing with the true latent coordinates, while positive conditional action excitation, rho-TR, identifies the response to every action. Under these conditions, every global optimum recovers the latent state and controlled conditional mean transition up to a common orthogonal transformation. Approximate identification worsens inversely with gamma rep, and counterfactual transition error can amplify inversely with rho-TR. For exploration noise level sigma, the amplification factor is 1 divided by sigma squared, diverging when sigma equals 0, even if on-policy prediction remains accurate. Experiments use 100,000 one-step transitions, 8-layer SILU MLPs with hidden width 512, and 4 nonlinear observation maps across 5 independent runs. A planning probe evaluates 210 constant action sequences and shows that increasing conditional action coverage improves counterfactual prediction and reduces terminal planning error. The paper's main practical message is that action conditioning alone is insufficient. World model data must vary actions conditional on state. Let's explore the third paper, Wonder Video World Model Done Better. Adobe Research and Johns Hopkins University present Wonder, a real-time video world model that turns a single image into an explorable environment, or reshoots a source video from user-controlled viewpoints. Built on WAN 2, 1, I2V, 1.4b. The system co-designs 3 components: a pixel space coordinate field that renders camera translation, rotation, and parallax as dense visual cues, sparse full-fidelity memory that retrieves relevant historical key-value chunks with constant active attention, and a self-forcing distillation pipeline using sparse context forcing, a time-step-wise mixture of students, and low-frequency gain control regularization. Its 4-step sampler uses 3 14B student generators sharing a KV cache, while Flash Attention 3, CUDA graph-style compilation, and multi-GPU execution support minute scale generation at 16 frames per second. On an image-to-video benchmark, Wonder reaches an average VBench score of 0.8558 and records translational and rotational relative pose errors of 0.0132 and 0.0784, respectively. For video-to-video generation, it achieves an average score of 0.8527 while preserving dynamic scenes under novel camera trajectories. The model is evaluated on 1,000 images and 500 videos, and its sparse memory enables coherent revisits and stable latency as exploration history grows. That's a wrap on today's AI paper highlights. Thanks for watching.